What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in another video. We are heading with the kids and the wife to Callaway Park. That is right, we are going there for the day. It is day 2 of our trip. Well, guys, and just like that, here we are, Callaway Park. Our little rugrats, they're already up in front, ready to go, rocking and rolling. A little longer, bud.
I can't wait any longer. Don't jump over the gate.
You gonna jump over the gate?
I tricked you.
I wonder how many rides there are altogether.
How many what?
Rides there are.
Well, go look over on the sign, the top list. It's top
29.
one. 29 rides?
So 30 rides.
Yeah. 30 rides.
Be on the stool lobby. Where? It just left. It's on the garbage can. Well, that's, I think.
But get up off the ground, man.
Why?
Because it's disgusting.
Do you have your wallet attached to anything?
I can't.
Oh. Do you want me to put it in my purse? Are you sure?
I can't wait.
Are we going shopping today?
Where do you want to go shopping?
At the gift store.
Oh. Oh. Oh, I guess so.
You're not buying anything.
Thank God. Hey, I'm recording. Nobody wants to see you picking your nose.
You want to go to the log right?
Yeah, right now.
After the roller coaster.
Well, guys, we finally made it in, and the kids are going on their first ride here. As you can see, they're going on this boat ride again. They love it every time. We always come to the boat ride. Wifey and the bigger kids, they're gone to the roller coaster to get that out of the way first thing, because the lineups are big when it comes to the roller coaster. So anyways, we're gonna watch the kids go on here and then we'll come back. All right, guys, so I got my little young fella here on the trike, or whatever you want to call it, the truck, and the other ones are over here on that ride, and they are playing. So we are enjoying our day at Callaway Park again. It's a lot of fun we're gonna have today. I'm gonna try and keep everything going at a smooth pace so that we can keep the content coming, but it's hard to do, especially when there's music being played almost everywhere in this place. So I gotta kind of watch where I play, because I don't need copyright content. Mama Bear and Caden on the ride. They're gonna go ripping around. Kingston's gonna sit here and watch them. The other kids took off over that way. So we weren't scared on that, bud?
I am.
That one makes me dizzy. Yeah, no, that's exactly what I said too. It makes me dizzy. Right? Okay, all right, come on. Watch, we're gonna watch Mommy go on in. Hey, let's get ready. See what happens here. Here we go. This is the one that makes me dizzy. But these things go in and out, I think. Yeah, if you look, see how they go, they swing in and out. Slow motion. Whoa! Oh, what? You all done? And there we go. Now let's see. See what her face looks like now. Let's see how she feels. Where's your purse? Where's your purse? How do you feel?
I don't like how it's soft at the bottom.
Yeah. Okay, here, you want to push this?
Over to Whack-A-Mole. So all you guys want to do with this game is hit those moles as fast as you can when they start popping up. For every mole that you hit successfully, you will gain 10 points, and the first player to get 150 points will be the winner of a large prize. So for our large prizes, we have any of these big frogs here. Do you guys have any questions?
Alright guys, we are going on the, what's this called, Twizzler or something. I don't know. We got Caden there.
Alright guys, lock those restraints all the way in. Okay.
We'll get Caden's expression as we do it. Yeah, you like this one? Huh? You like this one?
Alright guys, a big thumbs up with me.
Thumbs up guys, give a thumbs up to this video.
Alright, here we go guys, enjoy the ride.
Oh. 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 It drops you down. Whoa. Whoa.
Always going down.
Whoa! Whoa! And that's it? Oh! Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Daddy, Dad.
Gonna drop us, right?
It's always the first shot that breaks you.
How does it freak you out?
As soon as it drops, and then it goes boom.
I think it's better than the front.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it is.
I think that one actually went longer than the others.
Alright guys, we made it back to the hotel. We decided to leave early from the park, Callaway Park, and we decided to come back to the hotel, go for a swim, get cleaned up, and then go to Boston Pizza for supper. guys, after another fun day of playing and hanging out with the kids and doing all kinds of fun stuff, we gotta end this video. But with that said, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed. See you on the next one.